So we're just here, my sister's here. We're heading to the West End to do some shopping. Where are you? Shopping! So guys, if you know me, I love white chicks. I love white chicks, and that was from the scene, one of the scenes. So we're here. Ooh, I'm just literally getting ready, so I'll see you guys when we get to the West End. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. So I've got you on top of a box. So basically yesterday I bought some fragrance. I'm gonna unbox for you now. So I bought the, let's drum rolls, and I thought let me unbox it for you guys today. I did ask you guys to guess yesterday on my Instagram. Quite a few people got it right, you know, quite a few people got it right, and yeah, it was quite interesting to see. But anyway, my fragrance has come in the normal Maison Christian Dior bag. Cute thumbnail. Really cute. I'll just bring it up there. So this is what the box looks like. I got the smaller version this time just because yeah, it was quite of an impulse buy, so I was like, let me just buy something smaller. But I love this scent, it's a beautiful scent. So yeah, here we go, let's quickly unbox this. So there she is. They gave me the Dior Prestige Concentrate. I think this is an eye cream, I'm not sure. As a sample, it looks like that. I think it's an eye cream, so I'll keep it in my cabinet. So I got the Christian Dior Tobacolor, which is the latest one from 2021 fragrance. I got the 40ml. Like I said, it was an impulse buy. I just wanted to test it out. I love the scent, first of all. Oh my god, she's so mini. Look at her, she's tiny. It has honey, plum, peach, amber, citrus, tobacco. But this scent is insane, honestly. Got traditional Maison Christian Dior logo here. You've got the magnetic cap, and yeah, the color of it is beautiful. Looks very whiskey like, brandy like. Loving it, giving you that tobacco kind of vibes. Sorry, that is my blinds making so much noise. Yeah, let's go ahead and spray this because I sprayed it in the store and it reminded me of the MFK extract, you know, the dark red one. It has a similar vibe, I think, because of the honey. Let's just go ahead and spray this. Oh my goodness, wow guys, this scent is insane. Honestly, it is mwah. It is chef's kiss to the T. I really love this scent. I think it's beautiful. Very, oh my gosh, like there's a beautiful harmony of like all the extracts coming together, all of the scents and the ingredients coming together. Nothing is overpowering anything, but it's definitely giving me expensive, it's giving me wealthy, it's giving me extravagant, it's giving me bossy, you know, CEO behavior. It's giving me all that kind of bossy vibes that we love. And something about this reminds me of like Ambre Nuit at the same time, although they're completely different. But I think it's the amber in here. I love this, and I love that it's so small. I can fit it in my little handbag if I was heading out. Check it out, darlings. I really love this. And this, how cute is the size, please? This is so cute. Again, I'll just show it to you close by. Love it. So guys, I'm just here chilling. Guess who came by to see me? Big bro, the one and only Fabrice Mawamba. What you? Yeah. You see my yaya?
It's nice apartment.
Thank you. You like it, yeah?
It's nice. Really nice.
Thank you. Hey guys, so my wardrobe getting delivered for the second time, because obviously you know the first one is broken. I need to get rid of it, so the guys are here just dropping it in. I'm so excited. Oh, and the guys coming on Sunday to fit them in, so exciting. It's in here, it's a mess, but that's the new set that they're dropping in. And oh, sorry, I'm so excited. So I'm hoping that I can get it. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna do a whole brand new wardrobe tour for you guys, because this is a whole complete new set. It's shorter than the first one as well, and I think it's gonna have a lot more hanging space. So yeah, I'm excited. And that's the old set which needs to go to the bin. Yeah, the room's a mess. The room's a mess. But all these are my clothes. All these are my clothes. So as soon as I can fit everything into the wardrobe, I'll be very happy. And I've got the shoes on. I've got to take off the shoes. Okay guys, quick update. I was meant to go and pick up my new wig from Main Opulence yesterday, but I couldn't because I was waiting for deliveries. But then my delivery got cancelled in the evening. I was so upset. And then this morning, I think this is all I'm expecting at the minute. And then my brother-in-law will come and fix everything. But I just need to get my lights for the living room and my bedroom as well. Oh. Completely forgot. Yeah, the light that I want for my room is actually quite expensive, because obviously I left the old one in my old house. The living room, obviously I need to get two lights, because as you can see I have two pendants, or whatever you call them, so I need to get two lights for those. The spotlights here is fine. I already got the lighting for the corridor. I've not had any breakfast, I've not eaten anything, so I'm gonna eat, shower and edit my vlog, reply to comments here on YouTube and Instagram, and try and post something. I need to stay productive because I've not been productive for the past few days, but it's normal with the moving everything. I can't find anything, so it's been quite difficult. But now that my wardrobe is here and hopefully gets done soon, it will allow me to be a lot more productive and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat, edit the vlog, and then I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. So we're heading up for my sister's birthday. I forgot my camera in the house, so yeah, I'm filming on my phone, but we're on our way now and everyone's here. Birthday girl, Mr. Winner. Hey, Mr. Way. Mama Pasa, big sis. But yeah, we're on our way to the restaurant. I'm wearing a cute caramelin dress. My sister's also wearing caramelin today. Okay, I'll speak to you guys when I get there, because these drivers. Hey guys, we're here at the restaurant. The food is insane, honestly. Oh my gosh. Insane, honestly. So nice. And it's called Panistra in Mayfair. It's Asian restaurant, Indian to be precise. And yeah, I love Indian food, so let's try and see what this is like. We're here with the family. Oh, food here is so good. We have to come back here. Yeah? We have to come back. It's so good. I love how fresh it is.
Your birthday.
Your birthday. Yang Oyo. Yang Oyo.
Do you know that God ain't ever he ain't ever too busy for you?
Good morning, my
God
darling.
actually knows who you are?
Sorry.
Do you know that God actually created you?
Listening to my morning motivation right there. I just had a shower and I am having a very exciting day today. I'm heading out to Light Salon with my manager and we are going to get some treatments, baby. Oh my god. So I'm super excited and I'm just about to put some skincare on. I literally have half an hour to get ready. Since we're going for a facial, I won't be doing any makeup, but I think I'm going to put lashes on because we're due to take some pictures. So I don't really know where to put you, babe. Wait, let me move my phone from here. Okay, cool. It's a bit of a weird angle, but so I'm going to use my favorite double serum. I recently purchased it because my skin just really loves it. I'm just gonna curl my hair. Actually, to be fair, I need to put the curler in so that when I finish my skincare, it's gonna be ready. So, give me a second. I'm just getting here. No makeup today. We're heading to Harvey Nichols. I've got on this really beautiful dress from Caramellin. I mean, but at the minute, I'm just trying to go into the store. I'm gonna go through the main front and then show you guys. Yeah, like I'm super excited to be over here and just getting my facial and hopefully do some shopping. I've got to return some stuff from Zara. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, let's go, let's go. Hey guys, let me take this off quickly. So I just got here. I think Debs is somewhere getting treated, and yes, I'm here. The lady was lovely, greeted me, gave me some water. So I'm just here waiting for Debs. But I think Debs is having a time of her life. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like 1 second. Let me just make sure that I've saved my video. Yes, I have. Perfect. Yeah, I'm excited to get a facial, guys. It's been a long time. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
May I check your temperature?
Yes, of course. Yes, yes.
Perfect.
Amazing.
So, this is our body balance. Across the trousers. We'll try to squeeze inside. I mean, not try to squeeze inside. So I would like that you put this underneath.
Okay.
You can remove your beautiful dress.
Okay.
Remove your towel.
Sure.
And when you're ready with the trousers, just let me know and I will come to help you to
Amazing.
put proper position inside. Blood pressure.
The blood pressure machine. It's relaxing though.
It is of your brains. And just be with you.
Yes.
You're losing.
I did not want to get up on that seat. I swear, I end up in Dubai by the pool, sipping my cocktail and just chilling. No drama. Hello beautiful people, we're just at the restaurant at Nichols. We're about to have brunch and yeah, like the menu looks amazing. I'm about to eat, guys. My dress is giving me summer vibes, it's giving me Ibiza kind of vibes, it's giving me holiday vibes, love it. I'm with Debs, y'all know she's camera shy, so just comment down below and say hey Debs.